All right, Royal Capital Investments presents another episode of SD Bullion Gold and Packaging. So I have been using SD Bullion. One thing I haven't been doing is giving a review. The reviews have been terrific so far. Everything that I've asked for has been there. Everything's been in pristine condition, and the packaging has been firm. So today it's not going to be another gold coin. It's going to be a gold bar, which is of course an ounce. Gold coins and gold bars are roughly around the same amount. Actually, the gold bar is a little bit more. So I'm very excited to see what's in here. I have no idea. Once again, they are just providing me with the unknown packaging with unknown product inside when it comes to the bar. So I hope you enjoy this video. All right, this is an SD Bullion Gold Bar review. Once again, I haven't seen one before. My other videos was mainly about the gold coins, but very excited. I have no idea what to expect. Firm packaging once again. Let's open it up. All right, the card, of course. All right, packaging. Ooh, I think I like this better than the coin already. Oh yeah, firm. Australia, 1 ounce, 99.99% pure gold. It's very heavy. Visually, I like it a little bit better than the coin. It's a lot different. I'm definitely going to be buying more of this. And once again, gold is an ounce. $2,000 per ounce right now, or nearing it. As stated before, this bar is a little bit more, but it's definitely something I'm going to be converting more of. Once again, thank you all for tuning in, and till next time.